Oh, wrapping up this fun Friday show. Fun fact, Prutch's Garage Door is the field partner of the brand new Pueblo Punishers Arena football team. Season opener tomorrow night at 6:30.
It is one of many contributions they've been making to support the community. Garrett is back, and he's not alone. This time we've also got his brothers Kelvin and Zach here too. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Woohoo! Welcome to Loving Living Local. It's your debut, right?
Yeah.
Yay!
Thanks for having us.
Absolutely.
So this is your brother-in-law, Zach.
Yep.
Brother-in-law Zach, brother Kelvin.
Who's the best looking one? We've been fighting all hour, guys. You're all good looking. You're all good looking.
So how do you think this family connection has kind of geared your business into what it is today?
So we're all engineers. We all left the big corporate world and decided to get into garage doors. We bought this lovely Prutch's Garage Door 37-year company a few years ago. So these guys do a lot of the estimating, project management, also get their hands dirty out in the field sometimes. But yeah, it's been a great dynamic.
So you guys like mixing family with business. Sometimes it doesn't work all the time, but it seems that you guys have nailed it. What are the secrets? What are the tips?
I don't know.
I just love hanging out with these guys and solving problems with them. So
You're the brother-in-law. You have to say that.
We just get along great, so it works out.
Oh, absolutely.
You know, I'm so excited for this football league, this Arena Football League, and you've got your name on the field. I mean, how special is this here for you, Garrett?
Yeah, so Pueblo Punishers season openers tomorrow night, 6:30, at Prutch's Garage Door Field.
So cool.
Yeah. And we actually have some extra tickets available.
We're giving some away right now.
We're giving some away. So give us a call on the number that should be showing up on the screen.
All right there.
You've got it right there.
Yeah.
It's first come, first serve. Give us a call. We've got 25 extra tickets for the game tomorrow night.
Oh, we're not giving just a pair away. We're giving 25 tickets away?
Yeah.
Well, not the first person gets 25, but we've got a bunch to give out.
25 tickets to give away. That's
That's right.
incredible.
Yeah.
All right, so if people need garage services or if you need to go and get yourself some tickets, make sure you give that number you see right there a call. Thank you guys so much for being here today. Anything else you want to leave the people off with about Prutch's Garage and why they should be calling you?
They're the SoCo Pros! That's why! They're the best.
All right, well, thank you guys so much. Congratulations on your Loving Living Local debut. We'll see you again, Garrett.
Thanks, Garrett.
Thanks again. Goodbye, everybody.